Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is time for the drawing for the giveaway for this journal. One little last look. Well, I certainly didn't show y'all everything, and I will do an entire flip through after I'm certain that the winner has the journal in their possession. I don't want to show everything. I want some things to be a surprise for them, but y'all can see it is just chunky, 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 and gorgeous. It really is. All right, so let's get on with it. Okay, I think I only have one here. Let's see who it is. It is Rhonda LZ. Rhonda LZ, you have won the journal. So what you're going to do in order to claim it, I need your address. So you are going to send your address to my email, sunshinesoriginal@gmail.com. I will put this also down in the description just for an easy look up for when you do get ready to send it. You have 1 week to respond and claim this journal. If you have not claimed it by then, I will be doing another drawing. For everyone who entered, to all of my subscribers, to all of my followers on all of my social media platforms, to all of my customers, just thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And y'all take care. We will talk later. Bye.